in this type of a question, I think a chart is certainly helpful. And if you look at the question carefully, we should be able to fill in a number in the chart. It says that we're adding some 12% HCl to 500 mils of 20% HCl. So we know that we are starting with this much. And the question is, how much of this are we adding? So that's the variable. So that's X. Well, if we're adding this amount and this amount, then the total amount must be this. Oops. Plus. Okay, sorry, 500 plus X. Sometimes it tells you the total amount, which is fixed, and the other two have to add to that, like in the money question. Anyhow, the amount of HCl is based on the percent HCl and the amount of mixture. So 20% of 500 is 100. 12% of that amount is going to be 0.12x, and 15% of this amount is going to be not able to fit in there. I'm going to go like this, 0.15, the percentage times the amount. Now, we know that the amount in the original 20% solution plus the amount in the amount of acid, HCl, in the mixture that we add has to be equal to 15% of the total amount that we have. At this point, we've done the hardest possible thing. We've gotten the equation. Now we simply have to solve. Left side's easy. The right side, I'm doing something like that. 75 plus 0.15x. I am subtracting 0.12x from both sides, and I am subtracting 75 from both sides. I'm going to be left with 25 over there when I subtract 75 from both sides. I will be left with 0.03x on the right after I subtract 0.12x. And the last step is to divide both sides by 0.03. That cancels that off. That's why I do it. And I will get X is 833.3 repeated milliliters. So your final statement would be, therefore, we need to add 833.3 milliliters. And we're done.